Did you know that AI is expected to replace up to 40% of audit-related tasks by 2030? So here's the big question: will AI make internal auditors obsolete or more powerful than ever? Welcome to the GRC Sentinel, where we explore the evolving world of governance, risk, and compliance. Today, we're diving into the AI revolution and what it means for internal auditing. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's changing how audits are performed, who performs them, and how risks are identified. But it's not all opportunity, there are real challenges. Internal auditors now face fear of job displacement due to automation, ethical concerns about AI bias and transparency, pressure to upskill or risk being left behind. And with AI tools making complex decisions in milliseconds, auditors must find new ways to stay relevant and valuable. So, what AI trends are transforming auditing right now? 1. Automation. Repetitive tasks like transaction testing or data extraction are being automated, freeing auditors for deeper analysis. 2. Predictive analytics. AI now helps auditors anticipate risks before they occur by analyzing vast datasets for early warning signs. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. Systems can review contracts, emails, and reports for anomalies faster than any human. 4. Data privacy and compliance tools. AI helps monitor compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, and other regulations in real time. But here's the catch: without the human element, AI can miss nuance. That's where ethical auditing, critical thinking, and judgment remain irreplaceable. Let's look at a real example. A global financial firm implemented AI to flag suspicious transactions. It worked, but it also overflagged, falsely identifying minority clients as high risk. The internal audit team stepped in, analyzed the algorithm's logic, and found bias in how the AI interpreted location and transaction types. Their intervention protected the company's reputation and proved that AI needs human oversight, not just machine speed. Here's the bottom line: AI is transforming internal audit, but not replacing it. It's removing the routine, enhancing insights, and creating space for auditors to focus on strategy, ethics, and value. Auditors who embrace AI will lead the future. Those who ignore it, they may be left behind. What's your take on AI in auditing? Let's talk in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more insights.